Walking na tayo. Listen daw.
Hindi pupunta sa tubig, ha?
Dahil dyan. Sige. Matay, dunin mo. Matayin mo. Patay tayo kaya. Patay tayo. Patay tayo dun.
Yan kami.
Wow, lighthouse muna tayo dun. Hindi kita. Ano? Oh no, monster fish.
Ocean Sea. The lake.
Oh my god.
Yan ang...
Ano? Oh guys. Eagle airplane. Let's go sana. Putay daw dyan. Putay dyan. Guys, so self. Ano? Sana. Daan?
Park na dyan. Yan ang...
Wow, simple. Punta. Let's go. Ang layo naman kotse guys. Oh guys, woo! Hakisin ko ito. Guys, jogging lang tayo. Running sports, Sarah. Wow, ganda. Oh, grabe ang lamig. Oh, malayo ko na. Ang angat ko guys. Diyan ito guys, ako vlog. Mga followers, comment down below. The next time, guys, kung tagal kayo. Matay, isa mo dyan, lakad din kami dito. Mga vlogs, mga followers ko.
Tama na.
Hi baby, ni Mao. Hi daw. Hello guys, this is my vlogs. Hahaha. Guys, oh my god. Bisan mo. Hulog yan, sige day. Hulog yan, hulog na. Oo, hulog na yan. No? Aray. Puti pa. Hulog na. Taro mo yun, ding. Hulog yan. Tumanda sa paras mo. So guys, ubuan pa tayo. My god, ubuan na tayo. Joke lamang. Hintay ba nga dito? Is your girlfriend? Is your old ladies? Oh, go. Guys. Sige. Go away, four.
I can say monster.
Gay. So this is gay boy. Bye. Yeah. Oh guys, you are. Ha? Hindi, bisan mo. Crocodile na monster fish. Monster. We have a monster fish here. And this is gays. Oh, this is for old gays here. So guys, who wants a boyfriend here? This is your new boyfriends, guys. So, okay, go chase them, okay, everybody? So guys, she's running away for me. So we are going to TikTok here, guys. Wala tayo dala sa camera here. Maganda aking lake dito. Oh no! Hi baby! Hi! Oh, dahil hulog na.
Dinadadapa siya lang sa fish.
Malapit mong yan. Hulog na yan. May crocodile dyan. Wala dyan, dead end. Oh, wala. We are going there. Bye.
Ikot yan, Jello. Ikot.
Ikot in the round. Hello! Ang layo. Woo! Jogging the round.
Uy, i-off mo naman yan.
Oh, day.
Kay Kim!
Hindi ito video. Hindi ko na-off ito, day. Jogging naman tayo ito tuloy-tuloy sa boom boom.
Sarili mundo ka kasi.
Clubhouse ito ba, di ba? Clubhouse din. This is clubhouse, guys. Naiinig ka na dito sa boses mo. So guys, this is the clubhouse. May swimming pool lang dito. Swimming pool. Ligo tayo dito. Look. We are going to ride here. It's a prank. We are in my mansion now. It's a prank. It's not my mansion. Tapos hamong yan, guys, ha? Don't worry. We're in the lake na. Ang layo na tayo. So we are here, have here swimming pool house. Some swimming pool. Wow, we have a slide. Wow, we have a playground here, guys. Oh my God. Papunta tayo dito daw. Oh my God. We have a slide here, the boy. You want to slide here, man? Let's go.
No, I wanted before.
We are going to green one or blue one. We have a green one over there, slide. The blue one we want. We have the playground we have. Oh my God.
I go there before.
Wait for them. Why not waiting for them? Or else I will push you there to the fish of the mountains of the
I'm
world.
waiting.
Okay, go. Look, we are almost in the lighthouse of the house. Look, the fish we have. So many fish we have here. There's so many. So, we have a mini pool here. Mini pool. There's some freaks. We have some freaking some playgrounds. And then swimming pool again.